So my husband told me to keep it off, but who listens to their husbands nowadays anyways, right? I mean, they don't know anything about fashion. They don't know anything about new things that are going around. They just want you to be boring all the time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. Well, you guys, for today's look, I am going to be doing a spring bling makeup tutorial, if you will. I'm going to be playing around with very bright colors, also adding a little bit of a bling. So you guys stick around for this makeup tutorial, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in a bit. So my goodness, has time flied by. I mean, we're already at the end of April. Spring is already here. Summer will be here pretty soon. Oh my goodness, you guys. So many plans that I have, and oh my goodness, time is just going so fast. So you guys, for today, I'm going to go ahead and start off with foundation. And for foundation, I will be using my Hourglass Vanish Seamless Liquid Foundation in Shell. And a little over a week ago, I started the gym once again after giving birth. I had a cesarean, so it was a little hard for me to start going to the gym, but I'm very pumped, I'm very hyped, and I just want to get this body back in shape before summer because, you know, beaches, swimming pools, outdoor activities, that's what I want to do, and see if this little white skin of mine gets a little bit of sun, you know, gets a little tan. It needs some tan, it needs some freshness, because I'm telling you, this can't go on like this. It can't. I've had a little bit of blemishes going on. I mean, the pores are all over the place. You know, when you go to the gym and you start to sweat, oh my goodness, everything just, oh, your face gets a little bit irritated, pores start to shake, and it's horrible. So thanks to this wonderful foundation, it is a full coverage foundation that I've really been obsessed with. It covers up everything. I mean, take a look and see for yourself. This foundation is popping. So if you guys have not tried it out, I do recommend you to do that. Go ahead and give it a shot, try it out, see what your thoughts are on it, and let me know. Now for concealer, you can already guess. It is my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer in Light. And as you guys already know, I do not apply concealer right here on my chin area. I just keep it up high, right over here on the eyes, on the nose, and a little bit in the center between my eyebrows. I'm just going to go ahead and set the face using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Butter. I'm looking like a ghost right about now, but what I do now is I grab a brush and then I just go ahead and take off all of the excess from the powder away. Alright guys, and now to save some time and battery, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I will be right back. I'm back with my brows, and today I think I did them like a little lighter. I usually do them a little darker, but today I felt like doing it a little lighter just to go on the safe side today. And well, I'm just going to go ahead and prep my eyelids now using, of course, the Tarte Shade Tape Concealer in Light once again, and then start off with the whole look. Today I'm just going to go ahead and use a little flat brush for this. So I want to just pat it onto the eyelid as best as I can. So for today's look, I wanted to use some nice spring, very bright colors. So I am going to use yellow, and I know yellow has been used a lot nowadays. And I just want to go ahead and do like a whole full yellow look on my lid. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this color right here, Asia. It is from the Juvia's Place palette. It is the Afrique palette. I'm going to go ahead and grab some on a brush. Just tap off the excess and go ahead and start off towards the outer V and just start stamping on the color. I think I'm going to take it all the way out, that yellow. I'm going to go ahead and keep on playing with that yellow till I get the look that I'm looking for. And taking it all the way to my inner corner. So now, just switching on to my Be Perfect Carnival palette in collaboration with Stacey Marie, I am going to go ahead and grab this shade right here called King. Just going to go ahead and give that yellow a little bit more of a depth and put this here towards the whole lid. So I want to create a blue eyeliner right over here. Oh, well, let's wait for the ice cream truck to pass. Because I mean, you could hear everything over here. This is so silent where I live. It is very silent, very peaceful. So any little noise that comes by, the ice cream truck, any dogs bark, even the birds, you could even hear them chirping. Anyways, you guys, this is so peaceful here, and every little noise that just comes, that's it. Even the camera hears it. So now we have to wait for all the cars to pass by, for the ice cream truck to go away. Hopefully I can continue pretty soon with this eye look. Okay, so now I have some peace. So before my baby wakes up, because he is taking a nap, I'm going to go ahead and grab my P. Louise base in white, and I am going to go ahead and try to create a liner on top of the lid right here, and I want to do it blue. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that P. Louise base in white on top of the lid, just creating a line, and then I'll go ahead and grab a blue that I am totally in love with from the Carnival palette and fill it in. So now to fill that in, I am going to go ahead and grab this color here, Sky, from the Be Perfect Carnival palette, and just fill in that liner. Now for my inner corner, I want to go ahead and use the shade Funky from the palette, which is pink, and I know it's going to sound kind of weird, but I want to try it out. Let's see what happens. And because I want to give that like a little highlight, I am going to grab Pink Me from the palette, which has like a pink undertone, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that right on top, just to highlight that pink. Now for my lower lash line, I am going to go ahead and grab Wasted right here. And I'm going to do my best to try to do a very straight, very sleek eyeliner on the bottom, leaving a little space so that way I can fill it in with a little something else. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off towards the inner portion of my eye. So now that this look is looking a little crazy, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my NYX Vivid Brights, and this is the color Yellow. I'm going to go ahead and fill in a little gap that I left underneath with that yellow. For my waterline, I am going to go ahead and grab this blue eyeliner. It is from Wet n Wild, which pretty much matches the blue liner that I created on top of my eyelid. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of that on my waterline. So now for mascara, I am going to go ahead and grab my all-time favorite Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte Cosmetics. Now for lashes, I am so excited to play with these beautiful new lashes that Lily Lashes came out with, and they are the Prom Lash. So beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on those lashes off camera, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with these beautiful fluffy prom lashes from Lily Lashes, and I went ahead and contoured a little bit using the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer as usual. Now for blush, I am going to go ahead and grab Fearless by Tarte. And it's a very pink blush, and that's what I want it to be, very pinky. Because this is like a full-on spring look. So today I'm going to go ahead and apply a lot of blush because I am going to have some very pretty detail going on pretty soon. So I'm going a little heavy with the blush. And now for highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and jump into my Be Perfect Carnival palette and grab this one right here called Saint. I think I'm going to mix that up with a little bit of Pink Me right here to give it like a little pink undertone. So I'm just mixing both of them. And let's see what happens now. Yes, I think that looks pretty darn awesome, you guys. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that. Oh gosh. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm also going to apply some right here on the point of my nose. Right here between my brows. So you see, you guys, you've got to trust the process because this look came out flick. Yes, ma'am, it came out flickety. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I am just so in love. So in love. Now it's time for some detail. And for detail, I mean detail. So my sister-in-law, she went ahead. By the way, she is a nail artist. She does acrylic nails, all types. And she has only been like, I think a year or less. I'm really not sure. And she is like the master of nails. I mean, the master of nails. She has gone just like overboard with the designs that she creates, all the things that she does. I mean, it's so amazing to see so many beautiful and gorgeous things that she can do on the nails, you guys. I mean, I need to go visit her over there in North Carolina because these nails, girl, they need some help. Anyways, you guys, she went ahead and she made a very creative, with acrylic by the way, she made a very little creative bunny. Oh my god, you guys, I am so freaking in love with this. And you know, she sent me a few. She sent me a little rabbit. She also made some hearts. Oh, she is so talented. So her page is Nana's Fashion Nails. You can find it on Facebook. I'm not sure if you could find it on Instagram. I think you could, but I know that this girl has some talent. So she went ahead and sent me these beautiful pieces of art that she created, and I am going to be stamping them on my eyes. So just looking around to see where I want to place it. I think I'm going to place the leaf right by that lower lash line that I created. Go ahead and place it right there. So she also made some flowers. She made two kinds of flowers. I mean, this is talent, you guys. This is freaking talent. She went ahead and made this flower right here. Do not mind my nails. I know they need a nice manicure, but you know, I have to sit down and work on that. But anyways, I think I'm going to go ahead and pop on some of these flowers. I'm not sure if to leave that rabbit alone there and pop on the flowers on this side. Alright guys, so I have added some detail to the eye look. Oh, look how stunning and beautiful. Doesn't it make you just feel like hunting for eggs? Just going on an egg hunt right about now with this look. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is stunning. So now I'm just going to go ahead and prepare for lips. So for lips, you guys, I am going to go ahead and use a double today. I am going to grab this lip gloss. I've had it for a while. This is from It Cosmetics. It is Sweet Rose, and the reason why is because on top of that, I am going to go ahead and use the Superstay Matte Ink by Maybelline, and this one is Creator. But since I am not a fan of matte ink lipsticks, I'm really not, I would just go ahead and apply some gloss before applying the matte ink lipstick. Alright, so now to set off this whole Easter fun creative look, I am going to go ahead and use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Yes, and that feels good. Yes, it does. So, oh my goodness, you guys, what do you guys think about this look? I am so happy. I feel very happy with this look. I was very scared at the beginning. I thought that I was not going to be able to pull it off, something different, something creative. But you know, it's very simple, very playful, and very easy. And yeah, I had a great time, and it's already Easter, so we have to have a fun, colorful, creative time doing our makeup. And this is what today's tutorial was all about. Fun, creative, colorful Easter makeup look, which I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, remember to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little close-up so you can see this whole look. But before I do, I want to remind you something, and it is that your inner beauty is what truly reflects your outer beauty. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.